The future of currency, what you should know about the Iraqi dinar and global financial changes. Welcome back to my Dinar Current channel. Today, we're diving into a compelling topic that might reshape how you understand money, particularly in the Middle East but potentially around the globe. We often hear about the changing values of currencies, especially when it comes to Iraq and Kuwait. But have you ever considered how one major event could dramatically shift a currency's worth? In this video, we'll explore crucial developments in global finance that could affect your everyday buying power. We'll break down the importance of currency auctions, the impact of smaller denomination banknotes, and get insights from financial analyst Mr. Say about where things might be headed. If you're serious about understanding how money works in today's world, this is information you don't want to miss. Could the Iraqi dinar surpass the Kuwaiti dinar? You may already know that the Kuwaiti dinar currently holds the title of one of the world's strongest currencies. But what if that changes? Some financial experts are now suggesting that the Iraqi dinar could climb in value, possibly overtaking the Kuwaiti dinar and other regional currencies. While this may sound ambitious, recent developments are giving this idea more weight. A major breakthrough was achieved by Iraq's central bank, which successfully connected the country's electronic payment system to international networks. This means that foreign bank cards are now accepted within Iraq, and Iraqi cards can be used abroad. This advancement represents a step toward deeper integration with the global financial ecosystem and suggests that Iraq is preparing for greater influence in the world economy. How currency auctions affect exchange rates. Currency auctions play a key role in determining the exchange rate of the Iraqi dinar. But what exactly are these auctions? In simple terms, currency auctions are platforms where foreign currencies are bought and sold to help stabilize the dinar's value. These auctions help balance supply and demand, promoting a more accurate exchange rate in the open market. According to Mr. Say, a notable financial expert, the end of these auctions could lead to a significant increase in the value of the dinar, especially the smaller denomination notes. Why small denomination bills are important? When a currency strengthens, it's not just the high-value notes like $100 or $50 that gain purchasing power, smaller bills become more useful too. Think about trying to buy a coffee for $4, you wouldn't want to pay with a large bill if smaller ones are available. If the Iraqi dinar rises in value, smaller notes like the 1,000, 5,000, and 10,000 dinar bills will stretch further. This means your everyday money could buy more than it does now, increasing its usefulness in daily transactions. What could happen when auctions end? Mr. Say believes that once currency auctions are discontinued, the dinar's value could see a meaningful increase. If that happens, those small denomination bills many people overlook could suddenly become much more valuable. This would be a positive development for ordinary citizens, as their money would go further. Still, it's important to be patient. Currency shifts rarely happen overnight, and each auction follows its own timeline. Until then, staying updated on market developments is essential. How bond payments factor in. Another development drawing attention is the issuance of bond payments. Some investors have begun receiving their returns in US dollars, sparking speculation about what this might mean for currency values. Although it's tempting to think this would directly boost the dinar's value, that's not necessarily the case. Bond repayments and exchange rates operate on different timelines. While fulfilling financial obligations builds trust and stability in the market, it doesn't always cause immediate shifts in currency value. However, a sense of stability can increase investor confidence. If people start expecting a revaluation, their economic behavior, like spending and investing, may begin to reflect that belief, which in turn could influence broader market trends. How you can get ready. As we wait for more clarity, there are a few smart moves you can make. 1. Hold on to lower denomination notes. If the dinar appreciates, these smaller bills may become more practical and valuable. 2. Stay informed. Keep an eye on news related to auctions, economic policies, and bond payments so you can make informed financial choices.